at the special sneak peek of the live show for all you game changers out there. Check out the line at the Nautilus Theater just to get into the show. People started lining up hours before showtime. Bindi has such an incredible stage presence. Check out some of the cool animals she gets to interact with every day. Her energy and enthusiasm are just amazing.
I've seen him before. So special to me because they live right in my backyard in Australia. They wake up at about 4 o'clock in the morning when the sun comes up and they make this amazing call. Do you mind if I try the call? Go right ahead. Okay, here I go. That was terrible. Do you think that we could do a better job at that? Let's see.
Bindi is a true inspiration to wildlife warriors everywhere. Stay tuned to Generation Nature to learn how you can get more involved. Hi, I'm Faith, and I just finished watching a webisode of Generation Nature live with Bindi Irwin here at SeaWorld.